Good morning, my dear students. I am your faculty, Dr. M. Balateja. In previous class works, we have discussed about the complete information of the NIC engine and engine classifications, and one more thing, four-stroke working and four-stroke working of the petrol engine, four-stroke working of the diesel engine. These details we have discussed completely. Today we are discussing about the what is two-stroke petrol engine and two-stroke diesel engine of the working. We have discussing now. So here, this is the two-stroke petrol engine construction details. Before that, one important point I am telling that you can remember. What is the main difference of the four-stroke to two-stroke? Four-stroke petrol engine and two-stroke petrol engine, what is the main difference means? In the four-stroke petrol engine, the four working processes are completed within four strokes of the piston. Here in the two-stroke petrol engine, four working processes are completed within two strokes of the piston movement inside of the engine cylinder. Means there in the four-stroke petrol engine, the piston moved four strokes. Here in the piston, two-stroke engine, two-stroke petrol engine, here in the piston moved two strokes to complete the four working process. There to complete the four working process, it will take four strokes. Here, four working process, it will take only two strokes. That is the important difference you can remember. Okay. Now, see the construct details first. This is the spark plug. This is the spark plug. This is the exhaust port, intake port, deflector, transfer port, piston, connecting rod, crankshaft, crankcase. So here, four-stroke petrol engine and two-stroke petrol engine, what is the main difference means? Here, the four working process complete within the two strokes, that is the two-stroke petrol engine. Second difference is there we are using the inlet valves. Here we are not using the inlet valve, exhaust valves. Here we are using, instead of valves, we are using the ports. These ports are three, that is intake port, exhaust port, transfer port. This is the transfer port. Okay. So these important difference. And second important difference is there above the piston we're having the deflector in the two-stroke, but there we don't have the deflector. That is the difference. Okay, right. So now first the working of the two-stroke petrol engine we'll see. The piston is at BDC position. The piston is at BDC position. When the piston is at BDC position, it moves from the BDC to TDC. From the BDC to TDC. When the piston is moved from the BDC to TDC, the intake port gets uncovered by the piston. So that's why the air and fuel mixture is entered. This is a petrol now. So air and fuel mixture is entered in the cylinder. So when the piston moves from the BDC to TDC, when the piston is at TDC portion, already we are having here air and fuel mixture. That air and fuel mixture compression taking place. So here suction process, here compression process, both will be taking place by the piston move from the BDC to TDC. That is the first stroke. When the piston is at TDC portion, the spark plug produces spark, ignition will be generating, the piston move from TDC to BDC. At the situation, the exhaust port open, the transfer port open, so here the exhaust gas is released from the exhaust port, the air and fuel mixture is entered into the engine cylinder. So here what I am telling that the piston from the TDC to BDC is moving by the spark ignition, that is the combustion. Already we are having the combustion process, already we are getting the exhaust gases from the combustion that will release from the exhaust port. When the exhaust is released from the exhaust port, already we are having the air and fuel mixture that will be entered into the engine cylinder. So here this is the thing we are getting inside of the engine cylinder when the piston move from the BDC to TDC and TDC to BDC. You can see the video, then easily you can understand. Spark plug, top dead center, bottom dead center, transfer port, inlet port, exhaust port. Sorry, this is inlet port, exhaust port. This is transfer port. Crankcase, transfer port, so this is the petrol engine. So air and fuel mixture is entered into the engine cylinder. That is, you can observe. Now, working of the two-stroke petrol engine. See, You can observe here, air and fuel mixture enter into the engine cylinder. The piston move from BDC to TDC, air and fuel mixture enter. So here, air and fuel mixture compression taking place. So suction process, see here. So air and fuel entering, already here compression taking place. Suction process, compression. When the piston move from the BDC to DDC. So when the piston move from the BDC to DDC, air and fuel mixture entering, and here compression taking place. Okay, so means suction process and compression process we are getting from the piston movement from BDC to TDC. Okay, within one stroke we are getting two working process, that is suction, compression, suction, compression. Okay, so here you can observe here both ports are gets closed, here open, right? That is you can observe. Now here you can observe here. When the piston moves from BDC to TDC, here the spark will be generating. So combustion taking place. After combustion, the exhaust, this exhaust gas is released from the exhaust port. So combustion, exhaust pressure, two working process will be finished. The piston move from the TDC to BDC. So here the exhaust gas released from here. So again air and fuel mixture is entering. So here that is the process. So that is the process. So when the piston moves from the TDC to, when the piston is moved from the BDC to TDC, air and fuel mixture entering taking the suction process. Already we are having the air and mixture here compression taking place. After ignition taking place of the spark plug, or the thermal engine will be producing. After that, the combustion gas is released from the exhaust port. So here in the first stroke, from piston moves from BDC to TDC, piston moves from BDC to TDC, suction process compression taking place. When the piston moves from the TDC to BDC, combustion and expansion taking place. That is expansion and exhaust taking place. So four working processes are completed within two strokes of the piston. Now two strokes of the diesel engine. What is the two strokes of the diesel engine? See the working of the two-stroke diesel engine. So this is a two-stroke diesel engine. Same here also. Same concept details: piston, deflector, exhaust port, inlet port, transfer port, and connecting rod, crank, crankcase, crankshaft. So this is the complete details. So here one thing I'm telling you. Here one thing I'm telling you that in the diesel engine, generally we are calling compression ignition engine or diesel cycle engine. Okay. In the diesel engine, generally we are having the fuel injector. In the petrol engine spark plug, instead of spark plug, we are having the fuel injector. By the intake port, the only air is entering into the cylinder. By the intake port, only air is entering into the cylinder. If you observe in the petrol engine, of the two-stroke, by the intake port, air and fuel mixture entering. By the diesel engine, we are only getting here, only air is entering taking place. Okay. Now we'll see the working here. The piston is moving from BDC to TDC. Now at the piston at BDC position, intake port close. Here the air and fuel air mixture is entering into the. This is the diesel. Now only air is entering into the cylinder. So here the piston move from BDC to TDC. Only air gets compression taking place. The air will be entering. Okay, air will be entering. So suction process and compression process. Now spark plug generating, that is the combustion. After combustion, again the piston move from the TDC to BDC. Here the exhaust gases will be released from here. So combustion, exhaust gases process. So both process will be finished when the piston move from TDC to BDC. So means combustion process and exhaust process, both process will be finished. So when the piston move from TDC to BDC, that is the second stroke. So first stroke piston move from the BDC to TDC. In the second stroke piston move from the TDC to BDC. The both things we have to finish within two strokes. Means four working process will be finished within two strokes. That is suction and compression will be taking place in the first stroke. In the second stroke, in the combustion or power stroke or expansion and exhaust process will be taking place in the second stroke. Okay. So four working processes are completed within the two-stroke diesel engine. Here how many revolutions are taking place? Here when the piston move from BDC to TDC, half circle revolution. When the piston move from the TDC to BDC, half circle revolution. Total one circle revolution, that is one revolution taking place. Either petrol engine or diesel engine. Okay. If you see this video, you can easily understand. You can easily understand. See the picture? Suction process or compression of the fuel. Sorry, compression of the air here. It is wrong. Okay, you can observe. See, air is entering or air compression taking place. Air compression. Two process when the piston move from BDC to TDC. Suction and compression taking place. And downward stroke. Two process, that is combustion or power or expansion. Three names are same. So combustion taking place, the exhaust gases, right, relieving from here. Again this air is entering into the cylinder. So exhaust gas relieving here, air is entering to here. So two working process taking place, that is combustion or power stroke or expansion, and exhaust process. Two working process taking place of the piston move from the TDC to BDC. See here you can observe. Right. This is scavenging. You don't worry about this concept. You don't have the syllabus of this. Just this is the thing you can observe. Again, I will just give the video to you. You can observe. I will give the sound for you.
इग्नाइट होगा और फ्यूल का कंबर्शन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। अब डाउनवर्ड स्ट्रोक स्टार्ट होने पर पिस्टन के नीचे क्रैंककेस में फ्यूल कंप्रेस होगा, मगर इनटेक पोर्ट क्लोज होने पर फ्यूल ट्रांसफर पोर्ट से ऊपर कंबर्शन चैम्बर में आ जाएगा। अब उसी फ्यूल के धक्के की मदद से जो पहले फ्यूल की बर्निंग से हुआ एमिशन है वो एग्जॉस्ट पोर्ट की मदद से बाहर निकल जाएगा और जो कंबर्शन चैम्बर है वो फिर से नए फ्यूल से भर जाएगा। तो इन दोनों स्ट्रोक के साथ टू स्ट्रोक इंजन अपनी एक साइकिल कंप्लीट करेगा। अब दो स्ट्रोक वाले इंजन में मेनली एक ही प्रॉब्लम होती है और वो है स्कैवेंजिंग की। स्कैवेंजिंग का मतलब है एक ऐसा प्रोसेस जिसमें फ्रेश चार्ज को कंबशन चैम्बर में एंटर करवाने के साथ साथ एग्जॉस्ट गैस को धक्का देके बाहर निकाला जाता है। लो स्ट्रोक वाले इंजन में
So
मैक्सिमम
this is the complete information of the two-stroke diesel engine and two-stroke petrol engine. Okay, so how many revolutions are taking place of the two-stroke petrol engine? So only one revolution. For four-stroke diesel engine, it will take four-stroke diesel engine two revolution of the crankshaft. Here one revolution of the crankshaft. So this is the main important topics of the IC engines concepts. That is two-stroke petrol engine and two-stroke diesel engine entire working has finished just now. Okay, thank you. I think everybody has understand better. So if you need any query, you have to communication with WhatsApp. Thank you so much. All the best.